Hello everyone, it's been quite a while since I made my last cooking video. My apologies to no one since nobody watches me, but here we are. I'm glad to be finally doing this again. So, today I am following a video by, I've forgotten completely. Hang on. Ah yes, Mr. Breakfast. Perfect sunny side up eggs. Sunny referring to the yolk, which looks like the sun, according to Mr. Breakfast.
A sunny side up egg. The whites are cooked through, not runny at all, and the yolk is vibrant, yellow, and ready to explode with goodness. Good day, sunshine.
Good day. And this video has, I believe, over 2 million views. I should know that since I just checked. Here we have some butter. I'm not sure whether it was meant to be unsalted or salted. I don't think it was mentioned. Some salt and some ground white pepper and my out-of-date eggs. Best before 5th of February. And it's now the 7th, so I'm sure that will go down well. Anyway.
I have 1 tablespoon of butter in a frying pan over medium heat.
Alright, first things first. We need the pan to be on medium heat. I'm not sure how that correlates to this. Do you mind the mess? Let's go for 4. Is that medium? I think that's medium. Next we need a tablespoon of butter. Is this a tablespoon? I have no idea. Well, it's all I have except for a teaspoon, so I'm going to go with this. This is my tablespoon, yes. I tried to open my butter and I immediately dropped it on the floor. So anyway, what does a tablespoon even mean? Does it mean I use all of it? How much do I use? How far up do I go? How much layers? I have no idea. I hope it didn't say a teaspoon. I think this is safe for now, so. Do you mind the noise? Oh, that worked. I can hear a strange noise emitting from the pan. It's melting very nicely. Am I meant to do this? It's fun anyway.
You can tell that it's hot enough when the cloudiness of the butter starts to dissipate, but make sure your butter doesn't brown. You can also use a tablespoon of vegetable or canola oil. It makes great looking eggs, but you lose that beautiful nutty flavor from the butter.
That looks a little bit nasty, so I'm not going to choose that one. Maybe this one. Is that ready now? I've no idea. Anyway, I'll crack my egg off camera and put it in very badly. Well, that was a fail immediately. Oh well, no going back now. I just realised I got pepper and salt, and I don't believe they're even mentioned in the video. It looks like this video is going to fail miserably. Cook eggs with butter over the top. Basting, oh yes. Using the butter to cook the mess that I have here.
Here's the trick. We're going to cook the top of the egg with the butter at the bottom of the pan. It's called basting.
Best plus tasting equals basting. Right now you have full control over how well you want your egg cooked. Continue to spoon hot butter over the top of the egg.
Hopefully I'm doing this bit correctly. What does it matter anyway? An egg's an egg, isn't it? I'm going to make a second attempt at this, I assure you. When white's fully cooked and yolk done, lift with spatula and drain off excess butter.
When the whites are fully cooked and the yolk is done just the way you like, gently lift with a spatula and drain off any excess butter. I'm having mine on top of a bowl of Parmesan grits.
Oh, it looks like there's going to be quite a bit of excess butter. And the yolk, I have no idea what's going on with that yolk. Getting a bit bubbly in here. I don't think that's a good sign. It's spitting at me. I'm feeling dread. I'm feeling the danger. I'm worried for my eyes. I'll get my spatula. I need my plate. And that does not look like sunny side up either. It looks a little mutated. Something looks very wrong with this site. So here we have it, my perfect fried egg, sunny side up. I'm not going to taste it because it's an egg and I don't want to bother with the egg right now. But as you can see, it's not exactly sunny side up. Well, a little portion of the sun is just showing through there. And it's not really a fried egg either. It looks more like an omelette. I'm not sure. Maybe it is fried. Well, it is fried, but it's not how it's supposed to look.
I'm having mine on top of a bowl of Parmesan grits. And I'm having mine on whole wheat toast.
That is for sure, so I'll be making another attempt until I get it right. So it might take a few attempts. I have made fried eggs before, I assure you. The problem was cracking the egg into the pan didn't go how it was supposed to. So thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video, which will hopefully be a bit more successful than this video. Bye bye.
And that sunny side up egg's done the right way, and I hope it makes your day.
You know, I did say I would continue in the next video, but I'm so determined to get this right. I thought, why wait until another video when I can start right now? So, back to my butter. How this butter depletes so quickly is beyond me. Here we are. Pan is still hot. As you can see from my remains of my plate, not a pretty sight, but I'm showing you that to prove that, well, it doesn't prove, but it is the remains of the egg that I just did. So I did eat it, and I also fried a couple of waffles to go with it. Very oily, very nice. This looks like a lot of butter. Anyway, I'm going to get it right this time. You just watch. It's all about how the egg goes down. If I get that wrong, the whole thing goes wrong. Now this is a lot of butter. I think, I'm assuming. I'm not an expert in butter, but I think this is a lot. If I don't make another video again, just assume that I have had a heart attack. And then pray. Egg. Crack. And here we go. There we are. Oh! Looks a lot better, doesn't it? I have yolk on my fingers. I'll just wipe it on a tea towel instead of washing them. Okay, it's on number 4, which I think is medium, I'm assuming. Oh yes, cook egg with the butter on top, even though I already have all this butter on my spoon. Maybe I should scrape it off. Hang on. Oh, that's a very bright sun. Very orange. Wow, I'm going to lift that up because it looks like it's bubbling quite a bit. But maybe that defeats the purpose, I'm not sure. Not looking so sunny now, are you? It's getting hot. Whoa! That is trying to kill me. Is it done? I've no clue. When white fully cooked and yolk done, lift with spatula and drain off excess butter. Is it done? I've no idea. I'm just gonna assume it's done before I get killed by another mutant. Here we are. Now this was a better attempt than last time, I will give myself that, but I don't know, I don't like the yellow in the middle of that sun, as it's called. Also it's quite a dirty white, isn't it? It still looks a bit oily, the sun isn't nice and bright anymore, the whites are all dark. Got dark blotches all over it, but it's an improvement. It looks like more how it's supposed to look, so I'm more happy than I was, that's for sure. I'm going to give it a rest for today. Maybe I'll come back to frying an egg in the future. Maybe I'll be 3rd time lucky. So thank you for watching, and bye.